In this video, we're gonna take a look at Contentful and Sanity to see which headless CMS is actually worth it. So I have here a list with different pros and cons for each one of them. So we're gonna start with Contentful. As you can see, it's scalable, stable, and widely adopted, a rich API and ecosystem. The downside, expensive at scale, rigid content modeling. Great for large teams with structured needs. Then we have Sanity with real-time collaboration, structured content studio, highly customizable schemas. The downside, steeper learning curve, fewer out-of-the-box templates, ideal for dev-heavy teams needing flexibility. So simply choose Contentful for enterprise-grade structure, or simply go with Sanity for flexibility and a dev-first experience. So these are the pros and cons for each one of them. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.